one thing that I think Fromental embodies and what we strive towards every single time we put a design together is beauty. And it will delight people from the moment they see it, from the moment they see the sample, until they install it and then live with it and share it with other people. That is the goal. Whatever it is, it has to be beautiful.
The quality of execution, the quality of the solution, the quality of the craftsmanship, and all of those aspects, they all come together. Beautiful and good, that's what we strive to do.
Like an artwork, if you go into a gallery and you see a piece by a really interesting artist whose work is not only beautiful, but has a valid story behind that piece, it doesn't negate the piece by saying, well, look, I've explained it to you. It hasn't lost its magic. In fact, it's been imbued with more magic, and I think that's what we do in the decorative arts, is that we present something that's beautifully made and we tell the client how it's made, the beautiful, interesting historical journey behind it, and then again that imbues it with even more meaning.
We had a paper in our bedroom for...
Oh, I was just thinking of that one.
7 or 8 years that was there.
Every single day it gave us joy. And thinking of the painter, we knew exactly which artist had painted it, and we'd almost close your eyes and remember the gesture of his hand painting that particular leaf and branch and thinking, God, that's just, how did he do it?
The feeling in the room was one of beauty and happiness. It made you smile and you reflected on it every day.
If we didn't have beauty in our lives, and a lot of people sadly don't, for all sorts of circumstances, your mental life, your mental health will suffer.
In classical thought, beauty, it is where so much of the meaning in life is. Without that beauty, it's all a little pointless.